Pastor Daron,
Yes, Arnie?
could you make a scary animal?
A scary animal.
Yeah.
Means something like a snake?
Yeah, a snake would be good. Yeah.
Okay. Inflate a green balloon, make a green snake.
Yeah, okay. I don't like snakes much, they're a bit scary.
Oh, it's scary, aren't they?
Yeah,
Right to the end.
right to the end.
Now, if I was in a hurry,
Yeah.
that could be a snake.
Yeah, if I saw a snake, I'd be in a hurry.
It would be too,
Yeah.
so would I. And tie it off.
Yep.
Now, I'm going to work at the uninflated section of the balloon
Okay.
to make the head.
Right.
So squeeze the balloon,
Squeeze it.
leave enough for the head.
Yep.
Now loop the balloon,
And loop it.
lock it.
Lock it.
So that's your loop twist.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to bring the head section through the hood like a cobra. So simply push your balloon through
Right, like a cobra.
and roll it through the loop. Not right through, enough to wedge it. Like so. So you've got the back section there of the head wedged through to form the mouth of the snake and the hood.
And the hood.
That's right. Now so you're going to fold the balloon,
Mm-hmm.
squeeze it,
Yeah.
fold the balloon,
Again.
squeeze it, and that sort of forces the shape.
Okay. We're squeezing the shape into it.
Just squeeze it.
Right.
That makes a zigzag for the
Yeah.
snake.
Okay. That looks really good.
You like it?
Yeah, it could be a green tree snake.
It could be.
Yeah.
Let's pick up my texture,
Right. And put some eyes on it.
give him some eyes.
Yeah. A seeing eye balloon.
There's the eyes on the snake, and there it is.
Oh, fantastic. Can I have a look?
You can have it.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. Oh, I might call this one Zig.
Zig.
Yeah, if you made another one, we'd call it Zag.
Zig and Zag,
Yeah.
the green pythons.
Fantastic.